Eh, dilimpak-limpak po yung kinikita ng mga kurakot pala.
Billions.
Grabe itong mga magnanakaw na ito. Pumasok lang ito dito, masampal ko eh.
And they're stealing, some of them are stealing 1 billion a year, more than. And
So-
if you're stealing 1 billion a year, you're stealing 2.7 million a day.
Wow.
And
7 metric tons of bituminous surface concrete force. O, sabi niya, gumawa daw siya ng daan. Yun pala, tonelada. Higit sa 300,000 ang kulang. Kaya, pag ulan, wala nang kalsada.
And alam mo ba yung dimension ng 1 billion kung at 1,000 pesos? That's 5 feet by 5 feet by 4 feet.
Na pera.
Yes.
So parang ganito po, itong kinakaupuan natin ngayon.
Taas.
Ganyan karami po yung perang ninanakaw.
Or than pa. Dati-rati akala nila kasi billions lang ang ninanakaw eh. No, it's not. It's in billions.
Bilyones po. Dahil sa inflation rate, tumaas din po yung ninanakaw nila.